Guard rostering is well integrated with the rest of Smart. So that means that you'll see details of guard shifts in several different places. You'll see them in the main dispatch window amongst the guard jobs. You'll see them in safety checks when start and finish checks are due, or when the operator requests details of current hourly shifts. You'll see them in the location details in the tab below the list, which shows you the shifts for that location or site, and also in the location details window, which are the details for each location, and your shifts are shown there as well. In the prepare items for invoicing area, once a guard job is complete, it turns up there as usual and is prepared for invoicing and so forth. Most of these things are rolled together in the guard scheduling window, this one over here. And generally speaking, the person who's responsible for organising the guards, would be the guard manager or guard supervisor, would spend all their time in here. Dispatch operators would see details of guard shifts in the job dispatch screen or the field monitor window, and of course the accounts personnel would see details of guard shifts in the prepare items for invoicing screen. Today we're going to have a quick look around the guard scheduling screen. That's the one we're looking at the moment. You can reach it by hitting that icon on the main map, or this one here on the top toolbar, or you can also go to Operations, Guards, Guard Scheduling. That will bring you to this window. There are three main areas to this window. We've got two tabs here. This tab here shows us the shifts that we're currently working on. Let's see if we can get some shifts. We'll try again. In the actual shifts area, we can see shifts for the designated date period, which are to be filled by a guard. We've got various selections here. At the moment we're seeing only those shifts that don't have a guard attached to them. You can also choose to see all incomplete shifts, complete shifts, or shifts which are now in history. In order to see a single site here, we simply key a few letters of the site name. So if we wanted to see Daniel Chan's Dragon Seed Company, we could type Chan in here, and that would see only Daniel Chan's site. To assign a guard, all we have to do here is to highlight the guard's name over here and press the F2 key. We can ignore that little tooltip that's coming up. That's about to be changed. We're asked to confirm that we're going to add Frank Suter in this case, and in this case we are not allowed to add Frank Suter because he doesn't have a current license. We'll back out of that. Possibly shouldn't be in the list. Picture down the bottom and try again. Okay. In each of these tabs, the actual shifts and schedule shifts, you can right click to see quite a selection of things that you can do. So in here you can add a job, for example, which means to create an ad hoc guard job. Up in this area here you can view details of the existing job or allocate a new guard. You can mark some jobs complete. You can see all sorts of history and so on and so forth. So perhaps have a play with those and see where they go. Similarly, over here in the schedule shift area, you can right click and you've got a whole series of details you can drill down to. Now, something that's quite important, the schedule shifts are what amounts to periodic charges or periodic services in Smart, and they won't generate actual shifts until you select generate shifts either here or on one of the periodic lists, either the periodic details, the periodic service or periodic charges area. Once you generate shifts, then the shifts for the period will show up in the actual shifts area and you can work on them there. So you can think of schedule shifts in this tab as just being templates. Shifts don't exist until you generate them and you can't work on them. That's probably enough excitement for now. I'll be back really soon with some more. Thanks for listening.